Did you know spinach can keep our eyes healthy and make our bones stronger? Can we get more spinach into our diet? Check this out. Hi everyone! Welcome to my mostly veggie kitchen. In this channel, I'm sharing quick and easy ways to add more vegetables to your everyday meals. So if you're interested, consider subscribing. Today, I'm gonna be making vegetarian quesadilla with spinach and shiitake mushrooms. Let's begin. Today's main ingredients for 2 servings. From left to right, shredded cheese, 5 to 6 pieces of shiitake mushrooms, tortillas, 2 cups of organic baby spinach, and salsa sauce. Start with preparing vegetables. Cut spinach into small pieces. Also slice shiitake mushrooms. The stems are harder, so cut them in smaller pieces. Heat olive oil in a frying pan. Add shiitake mushrooms, and spinach into the frying pan. Cook until the shiitake mushrooms are tender. Add 1 tablespoon of salsa sauce and mix well. Turn off the heat and put aside the cooked spinach and shiitake mushrooms. It's a 1-pan recipe, so I'm gonna reuse the same frying pan. Wipe the inside with paper towel. Put the tortilla in a frying pan. Put shredded cheese on the half of the tortilla. Put the cooked spinach and shiitake mushrooms on top of it. Sprinkle shredded cheese on it so that the tortilla sticks well. Fold the tortilla in half. Make another tortilla in the same way. Reduce the heat to medium-low and cook it for about 5 minutes. Flip the tortilla and cook the other side as well. When both sides of tortilla become golden, they are ready. Cut the tortilla in half and serve with salsa sauce. Spinach shiitake mushroom quesadilla. Bon appetit, everyone! I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions about today's recipe or would like to share your favorite spinach recipes with me, please leave your comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.